When he's matched all of the beginning sounds, help him cut out the pictures on the ending sound sheet. Again, put these pictures into a bowl and have him pick out one picture. Then ask what is the sound that it ends with.
Trying to match is clock, the ending sound. Now look at this. What's this?
A star. R.
You understand this already?
Tree. E.
Excellent. Okay, I think you can do this, Betty. Are you ready? Okay, what is this? What is that?
Guitar.
So what sound are we matching? Guitar. R. Guitar. Does guitar end with a k? No. What is this?
A star. Right? That's right.
I think you're right. Let's try again. So what sound are you matching?
At. Fish. Tree. Boat. Cat.
I can't believe this. What is that?
Brush. Fish. Sh. Brush. Sh.
Oh my gosh, I am so impressed. Good job, Bonnie.